a significant milestone for the company. What does this mean for your shareholders?
Yeah, thanks very much, Nazipa. Yeah, what it means, I think it's worth mentioning, first of all, there was a 92% shareholder turnout today, which in itself is remarkable, and they gave a 99% approval for the Black Economic Empowerment transaction. Sometimes these transactions are emotive, and I think that's why we say it's significant. This transaction positions Northam for the next decade with a strong balance sheet, with a net cash arising from the transaction of some 4 billion rand, positions the company extremely well in a stressed sector.
4 billion rand cash injection, that is a significant number there. Give us a sense, Paul, in terms of how that capital is going to be deployed.
What we'd like to do, and our strategic intent, is to grow the company down the cost curve by targeting shallow, mechanizable ore bodies. Of course, there aren't too many of those around, and there certainly aren't too many for sale, but that's what we intend to do. We also hope to be a consolidator in the industry, which we think is required.
A consolidator in the industry. Won't you give us a little more insight into that particular statement? Are you looking to pick up any assets?
Our analysis internally shows that operating assets offer the best value, and that's where we will be lacking. If you don't mind, we probably won't say too much at this stage, but certainly later on we will.
The outlook for platinum, Paul, before I let you go, where do you see the supply and demand dynamics going from here on?
Demand is certainly growing along with world GDP, maybe slightly less, so the demand is very healthy for our metals, and platinum not the least. Where we really see the pressure point is in primary supply out of South Africa. We see the industry under tremendous stress and strain, and we see a lower output from South Africa on a primary basis, and maybe a leaner, meaner industry going forward.